if you do not have styrofoam or your blue block at home, you are going to be making a mono print. Whatever type of paper you got goes. Can use a sheet protector, like a plastic sheet protector. If you don't know what that is, Google it. And then you're just going to draw a box that is 6 inches high. I'm sorry, that's this. Your paper is going to be 6 by 9. This box is 4 by 6. And you're going to draw your image in here with your markers. And since it's water resistant, it's not going to go anywhere. I'm just going to do a quick landscape image. If I can find the brown. And, you know, if it is like your symbol, that's great. I would try and go with your symbol. I wouldn't try and make something completely new. You have a lot more freedom in this. We're just going to go with it. Think about how you can make textures. Just watch your hand because you don't want it to pick up the print. Gonna kind of make an autumn. Adding in lines. Actually want to turn this, kind of mix. I'm sure there'll be blends in the trees. Please take your time. I'm just trying to do this fast so I can show you how to do it. I'm going to turn my grass a little bit darker. Because it's fall. Anyway, I would add more detail, but then you line it up. Once it drops, try not to move it. You're just going to rub it. And I would just go back, and I probably just didn't go fast enough. Had a phone call in between. So make sure that your ink is built up on your print, and is what it is, guys.